I make and use a lot of compost, but sometimes I need more than I make, or what I make isn't quite ready to use. Fortunately, I have a great source where I can go and buy extra compost that's always ready whenever I need it. So here's my backup compost. I have a lot of this standing by at all times. This is Veggie mix from Soil Cube. Now it's a regionally sourced, composted, humus-rich soil. The main ingredients are just three things. It's grass clippings from their sod farm, it's wheat straw that they grow there as well, and then they partner with a local dairy for the cow manure. So how basic is that? Local, sourced, reliable ingredients. That's what you're looking for. And with the Veggie mix, they also enhance it with bark fines and wood fiber. That helps with drainage, and they add activated charcoal for plant health. So that's really nice. Some simple ingredients blended together that works well all over your lawn and landscape and garden beds, and even in your container. And that's what you're looking for. If you're buying compost, you want something that you can use everywhere, all around your lawn and landscape, safely and reliably. I've been using this for years, and I get consistent results. And that's what you want to find, whether it's with Soil Cubed or somewhere or some other product. Those are the criteria that you're looking for. I'd say the main takeaway today is that it's great that we can buy compost when we need more than we make, or when we don't make it at all. But the other important point is that not all compost is made the same, and the ingredients can vary significantly, and that's the main thing. I love having simple ingredients where I know the source of it and there's nothing complicated about it, and I end up with consistently great results just from, in this case, 5 simple ingredients. But I'm here to tell you, I've ordered bulk compost before, and when it's delivered and dumped out onto my lawn or my garden beds, and then I look at it like I should have done before I bought it, I see things in there that I never would have wanted, like glass and metal and trash and plastic. And you know, hopefully that's the exception rather than the norm it usually is, but it's still a risk that you have. And my point to that is, do your homework before you buy it and get it into your garden. Just like you can't put the toothpaste back in the tube, once your soil is delivered and into your garden, you want it to be the best that you can possibly source, just like I do with Soil Cubed, and hopefully you'll do the same.